Hello learners, this is Dr. Sedhupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to learn about functions with argument and with return value in C programming language. Here is the agenda for the discussion, introduction about the functions with argument with return value in syntax, example program and understanding or explanation about the example, real world example, benefits of using functions with argument and with return values, handling multiple arguments and how it works, returning values from functions, common errors and mistakes while handling functions with argument and return value, and conclusion. Here is the basic idea about how this category function works. A function is a block of code designed to perform specific task. Key idea or key benefit of using user-defined functions are modularity, code reusability, abstraction and maintainability. And here is the function with arguments and with return value are the core part of structured programming language. Arguments are inputs passed to the functions from the calling environment, which allowing functions to operate on variable data. And the return statements or return value computed by the function is returned to the calling environment or calling function. Here is a syntax. The general syntax of function with arguments and return value is starts with the return type of the function, and there is a function name, and inside the parenthesis data type of each and every argument list separated by comma. Inside the curly braces there is a function body and there is a return statement with return value. Return value may be a single variable or may be any valid C expression like a plus ba minus ba into b. And the return type specifies the type of value returned by the function. Function name is an identifier for the function. Data type parameter is the type and name of the first argument and so on. Return value is the value returned by the function, if not of void type. Here is an example for calculating area of a circle. This program calculates the area of the circle based on the user input radius. Here is the function definition. Float is the return type, calculate area is the function name, and float radius, here radius is the formal argument, float is the data type of the argument, and the function returns a valid C expression like 3.14159 into radius. Nothing but this is the formula for calculating area of the circle based on the radius input. In the main function, giving or assigning radius value as 5.0, and the function call calculate area passes the value of radius to the function definition. Function definition. And the key concepts here is the function calculate area takes radius as an argument and it returns the computed area by using the formula pi r square. So here is the basic understanding how this program works. Function calculate area has one parameter radius of type float. Inside the function, the area is computed using the formula for the area of circle. The result is returned back to the calling function. The function call in main, we call the function by using 5.0 as argument value, and the return statement return the value by using return statement. Another one example or real example here are demonstrating conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit. So here the function definition, there is a valid C expression inside the return statement, Celsius into 9/5 divided by 12. Here the Celsius is the value which received from the function call. Here in this example, the Celsius value is received from the main function using function call. float Fahrenheit equal to convert to Fahrenheit function. Inside the Fahrenheit function there is a Celsius statement which passes the value of the Celsius, here in this example 25, to the function definition, and it finally calculates the or converts the Celsius to Fahrenheit and return the values to the main function. So benefits of using functions like this is code reusability, modularity, clarity, maintainability and abstraction. Here reusability writes once used multiple times. Modularity breaks complex tasks into smaller functions. Clarity is easy to understand and maintain code. And maintainability is for debugging and testing. Abstraction users do not need to know the internal details of the function, only how to call it. Handling multiple arguments. When handling multiple arguments, the list of argument and the type of argument and the order of argument specified in the function prototype should match the function definition. And returning values from functions. Actually using return statement you can using return values. The returning values may be a single variable value or it may be a valid C expression. And the common errors and mistakes while using functions with argument and with return value. Actually mismatch between return type and return value occurs quite commonly. The return type and the type of function must match each other, which sometimes leads to error and warning. Forgetting to return a value in non-void functions may sometimes occur. This type of errors must be avoided. Passing wrong number of arguments or wrong type of arguments may occur sometimes. So conclusion, function with argument and return value play a critical role in building efficient, reusable and modular program. It enhances the code clarity, reusability and maintenance. By carefully designing functions, this kind of errors may be avoided. Thank you for my dear learners for your patient listening. I will see you with some other interesting topic. Thank you once again.